man want to say them song them if you play. When me I go with M16 rhythm and then rhythm I come warm up dance. You know see a stone over here play with. The man them stress me out super. Anyway, go back in our folder. Them time you know serious we play them time. Go back in my folder, find some of them big songs there we can play, you see me? And you must say, yo, dog, you just need to forget some of them songs where. Anyways, the technician him call the boss and say, yeah man, we can work with the youth here, you know. Yeah man, I mean can early one man. You see me? And next dance now with Swash Super. It's like two of the selector them the day of foreign. And Swash have two sound. So them send my next virgin guy one dance and send me guy one dance. And the bad selector them will come at hours and night never come. So now me get to prove myself super.
Okay.
Me
Now,
get to
at this
play
time,
the night.
Froggy is still there.
Eh?
Froggy was still there that
Yeah
time.
man, Froggy still there. So Froggy,
okay.
I one of the man will give me the green light and say, yeah, the youth are bad.
Okay.
See me? So all me deal with the dance with the selector they never turn up for. And some me know get to become one of the bad selector them will Swash. You see me? I did not early one for more than 2 dance. Till me reach in at the senior level and just start going dance be at 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock at night time. Me not early one Swash. Me not early one Swash for no long time. You see me?
See.
Yeah man, from Swash bro, you just take off. From Swash, you just take off. Take off. Like I travel the world, the thing just take off, you see me?
All right. So, get the your international bus, all of these things, right? And now, well known on Swash, why the move to the ATL?
Alright, here we go now. Me been a back and forth, you know, like me used to like when me I play Swash, you know, we come a dance a foreign like on weekends, like we come on a Friday, go back to Jamaica on a Monday because we sort of a Tuesday event named Nipples Tuesday, you see me? So every time we come on the weekend, we just go back. So I believe we've been a travel from about 2013, 2014, back and forth, America to Jamaica, you see me? On work permit. I don't know if you understand that, but
Yeah, man.
we reached to a point now where the same Nipples Tuesday where we keep, we used to be one of the baddest events in a Jamaica on a Tuesday. You can YouTube it, Nipples Tuesday, you see me? Whole heap of artists with bus, whole heap of strength we get artists. When they come on to young artists and new artists, that was the place for them. You see me? All of them, now for the rhythms them where you hear around the place right now from back then, Nipples Tuesday bust them, you see me?
Okay.
All of the ding dong them where you hear ding dong I sing, all of the bad song them right and Nipples Tuesday, the whole of them song the bus. Me was the mastermind behind all of them songs. The gas them, the yang them, the skip